All right, guys, bought a couple of brand new Wordlock to try to figure out an exploit. I figured it was going to take a lot of time, but you know what? It didn't. These things are so easy to open up. Stick around, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, guys, these things are so easy to pick, you're not going to believe it. However, they are painful. They're painful to your thumb, and you'll understand why in just a minute. So just rotate all of your wheels just to make sure we're good and mixed up. When you begin, though, make sure that everything is lined up perfectly on a letter. Don't have one of them half like that, because that'll throw the whole system off. Just line them up on any letter and start from there. Now the pain begins, and I'm going to hold it like this. I'm going to use my thumb to press on that release lever and press very, very hard, because your goal is to cause these wheels to bind up. So we want to find the one that's binding the most. So push down on it and then kind of move them around a little. This guy is really, that guy's bound. He's not, and he's not. All right, so again, keep them lined up. So this was the one that was binding the most. What we're going to do now is I'm going to use this probe, because otherwise my finger's in your way. I'm going to try to move him, and he doesn't move at all or very little. I'm going to release the tension, rotate it to the next letter, reapply that heavy tension, and try to move him. I got nothing. And keep doing that. Nothing. 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 I'm going to quit saying that at some point, right? Okay, when you get to a letter that does move, notice how this moves to the full extent of the letter for each line back and forth. So we've hit the gate. I don't know where the gates are on this lock, but that is definitely the full width of the gate. So we're going to say that number 3 is picked. Now let's find another binder. Again, applying very heavy tension. Find out which one of these is binding. Okay, it's not that guy. Well, let's see here. It's either 2 or 4. I think 4 is binding just a little bit more, so we'll just go with him. So same deal. Heavy tension, we got nothing. Rotate him 1. Nothing. Okay, again, we found a nice wide gate, goes from line to line. So we got 3 picked, we've got 4 picked, and our lever, it fell over just a little bit further, almost like we're getting deeper into that picked situation. All right, now we're going to, again, apply heavy tension, find a binder. Now number 2, the second one is really binding, and the first one is not. So let's just put him on any letter and do the same kind of thing. All right, again, line to line. So now we have ALT. Now, I'm kind of looking for a real word, though, so it's not PALT. Let's try, I don't know, like Baltimore abbreviation? No. Okay, salt is definitely a word. No. Okay, LALT is not. This moves a little bit, but not gate to gate. Same thing, not gate to gate. Okay, now we're moving gate to gate, and it rotates all the way around. Guys, these are, I don't know who designed these locks. They put no thought whatsoever into putting a direct linkage between the lever release and the wheels themselves. You can definitely feel what's going on inside of this lock. That, and you have nice wide gates. Goodness gracious, I'm surprised these guys are still in business. Anyway, there you go, guys. The Wordlock combination, nothing to it. Don't use one of these to lock up your stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe, stay legal.